tractor, I'm not really a big fan of those. I'll take you on a ride on the big orange tractor. International Harvester and Allis Chandler's. Add for little small light work like a 3600 Ford. All of them 3-cylinder diesels long. And 110 horse tractor is what this is right here. It's what it's dynoed at. $110 horse pulling something that takes, well, it takes around maybe 30 horse.
Sunday morning and the sun is shining in my eyes, and it's open and my head is better.
Don't want to take his turn too hard with that in the ground.
You must see her last night. Those you look in mine. I like to drink you with a little something like. Did I install the cowboys? Did I shoot out the lights? Did I dance on the bar? Did I start the flame? Now wait a minute, things don't look too familiar.
That's not putting it out that bad. Y'all are wondering why I ain't deaf. Well, I get another reason to wonder why I ain't already. I shoot big loud guns all the time. In this cab with a straight pipe all the time, the cab just makes it worse once it gets up here about 20 over here on the tachometer. And I keep my music blasting. The reason I keep the music blasting is to drown out that pipe. Plus, I like to hear my music. Automatic door shutter right there. You push that up once and the door shuts. Tell you a little story about Allis Chandler's. They come out with the quietest cab. John Deere, about the time they tried to beat Allis Chandler's, they come out and they had to bump it up a notch out, did themselves. They made a cab quieter than the original one. So, but whenever they said the quietest cab, they didn't intend for you to put on one of them bad boys right there. That stack has been on there since around 81 or 2, I believe, since before I was born. I was born in 92. This tractor is a 76 model. 7020 is made around, I believe, 78 or 9. It's got a lot less hours than this one does. I believe it's fixing to roll on 8,000 hours here, and about maybe about 40 or 50 more hours on the 7020. I guess I done told you about this before, but it stopped on 585 hours, and now I've just put 21 hours on the new tachometer. Well, not the tachometer, the hour meter. Maybe going a little bit fast. Have this here is an international seed drill from McCormick International. Still says McCormick on it. We do have a Oliver number 74 10 foot. No, not 74, 76. Sorry, I had the number 64 on my mind, got it mixed up. It's 76, it's 10 foot, and we just really ain't done any work on it. It's still sitting in the hedgerow. I believe this here is about close to that. It's wider than the tractor is. Turn on the radio here and sit back and enjoy the quiet. Well, not quiet, but music.
Brett Paisley on Real Country with Southern Comfort Zone. I do have one little correction in the information I've been passing on to you about the explosions near the finish line of the Boston Marathon, and that is that while there have been explosions, there's been no confirmation as to what caused those explosions, so no one is yet saying what those explosions were. While the word bomb has been used, it is not confirmed at this point, so the correct terminology would be explosions. The bad news, 2 killed, at least 28 injured at this time. And by the way, since people come from all over the country to run the Boston Marathon, I thought I would give you a site that the Red Cross is setting up if you have someone in the area you'd like to check on. It's redcross.org/safeandwell. redcross.org/safeandwell if you have someone that might be attending the Boston Marathon and would like to check on. I'm Jim Casey. This is Real Country.
When I was young, I left my home and away to face. With my guitar and my dreams, I had to try to play and sing in Vegas. But my mama told me I was wrong, and she begged me to stay at home. But my will was strong. I've had to bed in bed. They'll put my name on the line where I'm ready. And the lines I'm crossed will be long. I wouldn't stand in the faces of the people when I start to sing my song. When I turn on and close, well, I play every honky-tonk, smoky bar in bed. And I guess that I don't have what it takes for Las Vegas. But my dreams still linger on. Oh, my faith is almost gone. But my will is strong. I've gotta make it big in bed. They'll put my name up the line where I'm playing, and the lines I've crossed will be long. I'll get a sad ovation from people when I start to sing my song. When I turn 'em on in bed.
Well, this is Rebel 5666. Comment, rate, subscribe. Whether you subscribe and comment. Hell, holler at me and tell me what kind of videos you might like to see. I believe we're going to be doing some spreading chicken litter here maybe tomorrow. So I may try to get a video up a bit. This is Rebel 5666. I'm out. Have a good time.